after this video, your skin is going to literally thank you, and I promise you, if you do this for 1 to 2 months consistently, you're going to thank me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be talking about something related to skincare. Now there is a thing called lymphatic drainage. Now if you don't know what that is, I'm going to talk about everything in this video. Don't worry, this video is not going to be any kind of stretchy. It's going to be on the point, and this video is divided into 4 parts. First, the introduction in case you don't know what that is, and then second, we are going to be talking about the procedure of how to do it. Then we are going to be talking about the benefits of this routine, and lastly I'm going to be talking about the 3 golden rules you need to follow in order to make this whole skincare technique more efficient. If you want to know how I did this cut crease look, you can follow me on Instagram. I post my makeup videos over there, and after a few time I upload it on the YouTube shorts as well. But if you want to watch it right now, you can follow me on Instagram, check out my reels, and you will see a tutorial of this on my feed. Now without further delay, let's get started with this video. I'm really excited because my skin literally glows, and this barely takes like 5 to 10 minutes to do. And let's talk about lymphatic system. Now it is a system in our immune system which helps us in getting rid of any kind of toxins in our body. It helps transport the oxygen to our different body parts. I'm not going all into the scientific details of this. I'm just giving an idea what it really does in our body for you to understand this technique. Moving on to the second part, we have how to do this. Now all you have to do is just take out 5 to 10 minutes to do this procedure. I prefer you do it as soon as you wake up because our skin is all puffy and everything, so that is like the perfect time to really follow this technique. Now what you have to do is just stand in front of a mirror, then take your fingers, and I'm going to show you right now. I just go like this. You have to take these 2 fingers, go like this, and then right here where your ear is, right here where this hair comes, and like this, just go in circular motions like this. Massage it properly, clockwise, anti-clockwise, and this is all you have to do. And then right after this, don't just stop here, go like this and just relieve it. You have to make sure that when you're doing this, you're just not stopping here. You have to make sure that the toxin that is released from the tissue is going down, away from your face, out of your face. And I can guarantee you, as soon as you do that, you will see a difference in the puffiness of your face. Your face will be less swollen. You can also carry this to your forehead also, like you can go like this and then go like this, and then like this. Do it like this and just like this, like exit it. It's literally that simple. Now we are going to be talking about the benefits of lymphatic drainage. Now the first benefit that I have for you is that it helps in improving the texture and the quality of your skin. When the toxins are removed from your face, the blood flows more freely into your face, and the more the blood flows, the more the oxygen flows into your face, which is a really good thing. It really helps in smoothing your face, and I have personally seen a huge difference in the dullness of my skin. Being a person with dry and dull skin, my skin never looked glowy. Even like without makeup, it never looked glowy. But as soon as I started doing this, within a month I could see a difference in my skin. Like now when I apply my skincare products, I actually see a glow on my face, which is really something that I ever wanted. I'm so happy that I did this. Now the second benefit that I have for you is that it helps in reducing the signs of fatigue. Like I told you, like whenever I wake up, I do this and I can see an instant difference between the puffiness of my face, because it really helps in decongesting the tissues, and that really helps in removing the puffiness and the fatigue from your face. Now the third benefit that I have for you is that it prevents skin aging. Now when you, like, these are the muscles that you don't really massage. Now when you do that, it really helps in firming, and it can really make your facial features look more fuller. Now these kind of massages also helps in boosting the natural collagen, I really don't know how to pronounce it, production. Now when the natural collagen production of skin is boosted, it helps in firming, it helps in improving the density and the elasticity of skin. Now one more thing that I would like to mention, it can also help in improving your acne, but I would suggest you guys to go to your dermat first and consult them first. But I really think, and I've read it on the internet also, that it really helps people with acne prone skin. When the toxins and everything is removed from your face becomes less congested, which means less acne. But I would highly suggest, before you try this on acne prone skin, to go and first consult your dermat and then use it on highly acne prone skin. Now we're going to be talking about the 3 golden rules you need to do in order to make this lymphatic drainage the most effective for you. Now the number 1 golden rule is that you always have to use circular and gentle movements. The key to an efficient lymphatic drainage is that you use gentle movements. Don't go very hard, don't go very I don't want you to go don't go like this. Please take your time. Even if it takes you 15 minutes, it's going to benefit you. You have to go very slowly and just really use gentle movements. Please don't do like this. That is going to ruin it, because right below our skin tissues from where this lymphatic drainage happens. So I don't want you to go in all. Just really use gentle movements and all of your drainage will start happening. Now the second golden rule is that you do this lymphatic drainage without any oil or cream. Now why I would suggest you to do that, because to make it more efficient, it is not meant to be a very creamy massage, if you know what I mean. It is all meant to be a dry massage. So don't do this with any of your face serum, face oil or any moisturizer. I would just suggest to either cleanse your face or just do the massage on your dry skin. Now the most important golden rule of lymphatic drainage is that you always use upward and outward motions. Don't go in or don't go down. As I showed you, I always go up and then I go out. So that is the way. Don't stop here, because if you stop here and you don't carry this thing around your neck, it's not going to happen. The drainage is still going to be there. All of the toxins are still going to be here. They are not going anywhere. So even if you're doing it with your forehead, just make sure that you are going like this and then you go outward, because you have to take this thing out of your face and everything. So you have to make sure that you are using upward and outward motions. I really hope that you enjoyed learning about this technique. It's something that I've been doing for a month now. If you're still wondering if you should do it or not, there is no harm even if you do it. If it doesn't work out for you, that's a different case, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So I would suggest you to go ahead and try this, see how it works for you. This thing has worked out for me within a month. That doesn't mean it's going to be the same for you. Everyone's skin is different, so it might take you more than a month or more than 2 months, or it might even take you less than a month to see the results. So don't compare your results with somebody else. Always be patient, be consistent with this skincare, and you are beautiful with or without makeup. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and do let me know what other kind of skincare tips you want to know in the comment section below, and I will definitely make a video about it. Just try my best to post videos every Monday and Friday, so do subscribe to my channel for daily content, and I will see you guys in my next video.